Hi everyone, I wasn't going to make another video today, but I'm in the forest and thought I'd share it with you, especially those of you who can't get out into nature today. Oh, let me just stop for a bit. So there's already wild garlic growing here. That is this. It grows much bigger and you can just start to smell it, especially if you rub the leaf. I don't want to pick it, but yeah, the smell of that gets really, really strong here as we get further into spring. There's usually bluebells around here as well. Not yet though. There's little patches of white flowers and a few daffodils, but I think they've peaked already. So, one thing I didn't mention about the astrology I wanted to come back to from the other video today is that we've got two parallel lines of energy running at the moment. We've got the tensions of March, and we're still very much in that intense full moon energy. So if you're a bit up and down emotionally and you're still feeling it, that's completely to be expected. It shows it's bringing things up and you're taking notice of it, and that's good. We've also got solstice. We've got a few other little bumps along the way going towards the end of March. But then we've got this parallel line of energy in April, Jupiter-Neptune conjunction, which we're coming into that energy at the moment. We're already feeling it, but that peaks from the 9th to 12th of April. And I've spoken about that before. It's a really nice energy, really positive. It will bring positive change. And as that gets stronger, as we go towards that second week of April, these niggles and strains and difficulties from March will start to ease off. So that's good. Okay, I'm going to carry on my walk and I'll just give you a moment to listen to the sounds of the forest. Hope you enjoy it, and I'll talk again next time.